Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is King Brothers, and now I have an amazing RC remote control car. So this is what we have. It's a rock crawler. So let's just check what is there inside the box and let's just have a review of it. This is what we have. So on the top of the box you have full function radio control and high shocks and so 2.4 gigahertz and it's 6 plus H, and so this is what it is. So let's just open the box. Okay. And now here we have this. This is what we have. What do we have inside the box? The car here and okay. And a controller. Okay, so here we already have everything, but for this there are no batteries. This controller has no batteries. These batteries should be put. So now we need a screwdriver to open it. So let's just open it now. Okay. So I bought this at Amazon and the price is below 2000, like you can say 1500. So here we have. So I already put the batteries in. 3 batteries, and let's just check how is performance. And we got even a few rechargeable batteries with the car too. So it's been put charge now. So meanwhile, let's just discuss what all it has specifications in. Okay. So in this is for the left, right, noise. And this is the on button. Ons. This is back and this is front. This one should be hold on your left hand and can be controlled with your right hand with the steering. So it's your wish, okay? And this one is the car what we have. Okay. We have the wheels and 2 motors. Okay. So you can see this water. Rock crawler, a wheel, springs, shocks. So in this, there are so many models like 6 wheel also, but I did not buy it. Okay, I don't know the performance of it. So this is what. Okay, so now this is the thing. I'll just get back with you guys by bringing the batteries. Wait just a minute. So here I am with batteries again. Okay, we have it. A USB. We need to connect it to a mobile charger. This is a different type. I never tried it out. So this one is also a screw. You just need to go to screwdriver now again. Okay. I need to just unscrew it. Oh, it's too tight. So this is what we have. So now we need to link this wire into this one. I'll be back after linking it. So it's linked and now I'm just screwing up. Okay, I was just screwed it tightly. So now let's just on. Oh wow, got a LED light here. Great. Let's just see the workout. By on this on. Okay. Good. Now let's just check on. So I think you guys can see it. So are you able to see it now? So let's just find a hard track for it. What's the hard track we have? Oh, okay. It's a bit hard. I'll just bring the controller back. Here. So this was the track that I found. Just getting on it. This one. Let's just check. So this is the car we have. Get that. Wow, it climbed up. I'll just show you. You see, it just climbed up. So I say this, the performance is good now with it. And guys, so bye. And now that's all for today, and I'll be back with more videos. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching it, guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you for watching my video, guys.